Every day, your home opens with today. 4 fresh looks at the sky, made for you. Your personal daily reading interprets how today's planets move through your own chart, in plain, personal language, never a generic sun sign blurb. The daily video horoscope brings that reading to life in a short, narrated clip you can watch with your coffee. Main Transits surfaces the most important planetary movements touching your chart right now, ranked by how much they matter. And the daily Astro quiz turns learning into a game. Answer, build a streak, earn rewards. It all refreshes every morning, so there's always a reason to come back. Your birth chart is the heart of 12andus, a snapshot of the sky the moment you were born. See every planet, sign, house, and aspect laid out, each with an in-depth interpretation written just for you. Go deeper with your birth planets, like how your moon shapes the way you react when your emotional needs aren't met. In aspects, combos, and houses, discover the connections that shape you, like how you express romance and desire through your Venus and Mars. Your asteroids reading goes deeper still, like the lessons Chiron reveals about turning your vulnerabilities into strengths. Your trait map distills the whole chart into clear, ranked strengths at a glance. And with celebrities, compare your chart against thousands of famous figures. Then add the ones you love to your own birth data list. One chart and a whole universe to explore. Astrology isn't only about who you are. It's about what's coming. Your forecast reads the sky of any day you choose against your own chart. Like how Venus brings love, harmony, and beauty to your relationships, or how Jupiter is supporting expansion and bringing the energy of good fortune and benevolence at this time. Zoom out with your monthly horoscope for the bigger rhythms of the weeks ahead, the broader themes, and the turning points carrying you through the month. And upcoming transits shows exactly which planetary movements will touch your chart and when. Plan ahead with the sky on your side. Astrology is even better with 2. Your Relationships Hub compares any 2 charts. Synastry compares your chart with someone else's, like how you each express love in your own contrasting ways. Composite blends you into a single chart. For instance, how you hold stability while embracing the changes you meet together. The Relationship Forecast reads the sky of any day you choose on your bond, surfacing the harmonic and difficult qualities flowing between you. Like how Venus is bringing love, harmony, and beauty to your connection at this very moment. Zoom out with your monthly relationship forecast, the broader currents and turning points carrying your bond through the month ahead. And in Trait Pair, a relationship dynamics text is generated, telling the big picture of your connection, the bond you share, and how you move through life together. Then, 20 traits, like emotional bond, romantic attraction, sexual chemistry, trust and security, or communication ease, are evaluated and ranked by how much each one stands out. Tap a trait to reveal the aspects behind it and see exactly where each strength of your bond comes from. Partner, friend, or crush. See what the 2 of you create together. Love a reading? Keep it forever. Every core report has a beautifully formatted PDF edition. Your birth chart, synastry, composite, monthly and yearly outlooks, upcoming transits, and more. Rich PDFs ranging from 140 to over 300 pages, ready to download, print, or share. Tap any report, like Celestial Love, to open the PDF's page. Each reading shows its price, what's inside, and a sample to preview, available in 12 languages. And there are more than 100 focused reports for birth charts, relationships, forecasts, or dedicated to spiritual paths. Browse the full list and pick the questions that matter most to you, from your romantic blueprint, your ideal match, and the art of attraction, to your professional path, wealth, and entrepreneurial talents. From family harmony, motherhood, and fatherhood, and your children's early years, to creativity, fitness, fashion and travel, friendship, your social presence, spiritual awakening, and your life purpose. From mending a broken heart and mindful wellness to designing your cosmic home and navigating life's changes. You can even chat with a chatbot specialized in a specific theme, pick a report, generate it, and it's yours to keep. Your own astrology library. Have a question about your chart? Just ask. 12andus's AI chatbots read your real birth data and answer in natural conversation. Open the Birth and Forecast chatbot and type any question, like, "What can I expect in my career today?" The chatbot reads your actual birth chart and the current sky, your sun, your moon, your rising sign, today's transits, and in a few seconds, a thoughtful, personalized answer appears. There are also dozens of predefined questions about your birth chart and your forecasts ready to explore. Switch to the Pair and Forecast chatbot and choose 2 people to ask about your bond, like, "Does next week look favorable for our vacation?" The chatbot reads your 2 real charts together, Synastry, Composite, and the transits between you, and here comes the answer, tailored to the 2 of you. And there are dozens of predefined relationship questions ready to explore too. And the Wisdom Paths chatbot lets you explore your birth chart through the wisdom of many traditions, Jungian and Freudian, Christian and Islamic, Buddhist, and the non-dual clarity of Advaita Vedanta. And there's so much more to explore. Zen and Taoism, Sufism, Hinduism, Judaism, and Jainism, or the great modern teachers from Eckhart Tolle and Ramana Maharshi to Thich Nhat Hanh, Osho, and Krishnamurti, each a different lens on who you really are. It's astrology that listens and talks back. Astrology isn't only about reading, it's about becoming. The wheel of becoming unfolds across questions, answers, and your own written considerations, each one meant to touch a real inner point. You grow more aware of your inner mechanisms and live your birth chart far more deeply, through initiations into each planet, through passages that let you live the energy of real transits, and through crossroads that bring the dynamics of your relationships into awareness. An initiation lets you meet a planet's energy through reflection. Here, your Venus in Libra, in the 10th house. Each step asks a real question drawn from your chart, a moment where that energy is alive. You choose how you'd respond. And a reflection mirrors your choice back, gently moving an inner meter and making a hidden mechanism conscious. Passages work with what the sky is doing right now, live transits. Among today's passages, Uranus opposes your ascendant, a passage already in motion. 3 encounters lived, the integration just ahead. And when you put your own consideration into words, take your time, read it back. Your guide answers you personally, a real exchange that turns the transit into deeper self-knowledge. Each insight can be saved and returned to whenever you need it. Crossroads explore a connection between 2 people. Choose someone, here, Bob, and the aspects you share appear. Step into one together. Your moon in Leo opposing his Saturn in Aquarius. A turning point you explore side by side. A relational scenario unfolds, a real moment between the 2 of you. They listen, you respond. You choose how you would meet their coolness, and the reflection mirrors the dynamic back, showing what this crossing asks of each of you, side by side. Take it at your own pace. Every step invites you to pause, reflect, and become. Beyond your charts, 12andus is a community. Your community hub is where you connect, through your profile, members, messages, articles, and the reading library. Your profile is yours to shape. To anyone who isn't your friend, only your gender, your age in years, and your country, never your town, along with your About Me, are visible. This is also where you set your own preferred house system and zodiac system. In members, you can search the whole community by gender, place, age, and even astrological placements to find the people whose charts resonate with yours. With messages, you can talk privately with anyone on 12andus in a natural, flowing conversation. In articles, read in-depth astrological reflections, drawing on psychology, mythology, and the spiritual. And the library opens hundreds of thousands of readings. Birth charts, synastry, composite, and transits, searchable by any placement across many languages. People, ideas, and a whole library of cosmic insight, all part of your 12andus. Your Tools Hub is your account and your extras, everything that powers your 12andus experience. A premium membership unlocks everything. Unlimited readings across birth, synastry, composite, and transit charts, with detailed daily, weekly, and monthly forecasts, plus your asteroid readings. You also get 100 conversations with the Astrologer Chatbots, and included in the $9.99 monthly subscription, every month brings a coupon for a free PDF report worth up to $39. In Settings, you control your account, your email address, password, language, notification preferences, friend connections, subscription, and how visible your profile is to others. Your PDF reports library keeps every report you've purchased, beautifully formatted and ready to download anytime. Clue tokens are your 12andus cosmic currency. Earn them through the daily quiz and other activities, then spend them on PDF reports, thematic readings, and ebook collections. Astrological memes are matched to the most significant planets in signs of your own birth chart. Shareable visual cards you can send to friends. Astrological songs turn your birth chart into music. A unique, personalized piece for each of your key placements, capturing the rhythm and harmony of that part of your celestial blueprint. And the astrology ebooks are complete interpretation libraries. Every placement for natal, synastry, composite, and forecast reports ready to download. Available in several languages, they walk your chart placement by placement, from your sun and moon to every house. Your account, your library, your cosmic playground, all in one place.